Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the service. One Medical, found at onemedical.com, offers a membership-based primary care platform designed to simplify and improve the healthcare experience. It aims to provide seamless, patient-centered care by integrating technology, convenient scheduling, and a focus on preventative medicine. While traditional primary care can often feel impersonal and rushed, One Medical strives to foster genuine doctor-patient relationships, allowing for more comprehensive and personalized care. The platform leverages a mobile app and online portal to manage appointments, access medical records, message your care team, and renew prescriptions, all contributing to a more streamlined approach to healthcare management. Furthermore, One Medical emphasizes preventative health measures, including wellness coaching and health assessments, empowering patients to take a more proactive role in their well-being. They have numerous locations across major metropolitan areas, providing physical locations for in-person visits alongside virtual care options. This hybrid approach allows for flexibility and accessibility depending on the patient's needs and preferences. The membership fee grants access to this comprehensive suite of services, and while it might be an added expense compared to traditional primary care, it is designed to offer a higher level of convenience, personalized attention, and proactive health management. For individuals seeking a more modern, tech-enabled, and patient-centric approach to primary care, One Medical presents a compelling alternative. It's worth exploring if you're looking to enhance your overall healthcare journey and simplify the process of accessing quality medical care. Their website, onemedical.com, provides further details on their services, membership costs, and available locations. This model of care represents a shift toward a more proactive, integrated, and patient-empowered approach to primary care. Their goal is to make healthcare easier to navigate and to create a more positive and personalized experience for patients. They encourage patients to actively participate in their own healthcare journey, with a focus on preventative measures and long-term wellness. Remember to check the description below for all the relevant links.